Thank you so much for tuning back into Real Divine, and in this video I'm going to show you the 2 ways to make rice water. But before we get into that, let's head on to the comedy clip. Way number 1, boiling your rice. You want to start this by taking half a cup of rice and go ahead and rinse it off, making sure all the dirt is off it, all the impurities, everything, make sure it's nice and clean. Then you want to take 2 cups of water and go ahead and pour it into your pot. You want to add that rice that you just finished rinsing into the pot as well. You want to put your burner on high enough to where it will come to a nice boil. Once the rice is boiling, you simply want to take it and pour it back into your measuring cup. Let that rice cool and then put it in whatever you want to put it in. I feel like it'll be easier to put it in the bottle. All I have to do is just put it in my hair and then throw it out, and whenever I get a new bottle, just use it then. Okay, number 2, and that will be fermenting your rice. For fermenting, do the same thing that you did for the boiling. You want to clean your rice, make sure all the dirt is off and everything, and then after that, you simply want to put it in your jar or your bottle. You can put it in whatever you want, and then add water and let it sit for up to 24 hours or longer. As you guys are all set and ready to begin your rice water journey, and please don't forget to tune into my next video. I'm going to begin and see how well this takes us. Please like and subscribe and turn those notification bells on so you will not miss the video, and have a blessed, beautiful day, because you guys are all beautiful people.